Hey guys, today I'll share the recipe for chicken chop. I have taken 500 grams of chicken. I will prepare the marinade for it. For that I have added salt, black pepper powder, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, kaju paste, curd. I have used homemade curd. Now I'll add all the powdered masala. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. You can see I'm using quite a bit to give it color. Meat masala or chicken masala, whichever is available to you. Coriander powder. So you can see my marinade is ready. I'll keep it in fridge for 3 to 4 hours. I'll take oil in the pan to which I'll add all my whole spices, which includes bay leaf, elaichi, cinnamon and clove. I'll add small amount of ginger garlic paste. Then I've added my chicken and all the gravy. I'll give it a stir and add some potatoes. Now this is optional. You may or may not add potatoes. This is tomato and chili paste. Now I'll add some powdered masala, which includes turmeric powder, salt, some garam masala and red chili powder. I'll give it a stir and bring it to boil and cover it and leave it to cook. After 5 to 7 minutes, you can see the tasty chicken chop is ready.